How to fix Instagram not letting you log in. First, you need to launch Instagram application and then enter your username, email or phone number. In case when you add the password and click on login button, you won't be able to log in. To fix this, you need to tap on forget password. Now you need to enter your email or username and tap on continue button. You can even enter your email address and get the code. So for now, let's tap on try another way and choose any option given below. Here you can get code or link via WhatsApp, get code via Instagram notifications or many more. You can even tap on see more and tap on get code or link via SMS and tap on continue button. Now you simply choose your account, then you'll be directed to the create password section where you have to create a new password, and after that you need to verify it, and with that you can easily enter the login credentials and you are here on the login or simply the home page of Instagram. In this way you can easily fix Instagram not letting you log in. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.